Ever open the Amazon Flex app and there's nothing? No offers, no blocks, just this screen. It's not random, you've probably hit the hours cap without realising it. In 2025 there are 3 limits that you need to know about for Amazon Flex. One of them simple, the other 2 reset on rolling totals, not on specific days. Amazon Flex lets you do a maximum of 8 hours in a day, 24 hours in a rolling week, and 96 hours in a rolling month. The easiest way to keep a track of this is to use a spreadsheet. There's one down below in the description that you can use. Just make a copy and then put in your own numbers. On these days when my running total is up to 22 hours, I will only be able to see 1 or 2 hour blocks or hour and a half blocks. And the day where I'm up to 23 hours, I'll only see in a 1 hour block, and they're very rare. I built this spreadsheet over several years tracking my own Amazon Flex shifts. It's tested and it works. The spreadsheet can also help you maximize your hours. You could try and squeeze in every hour that you can to keep your running total at 24 hours all of the time. If you found this tip useful, give me a thumbs up. You could also subscribe if you want to see more of my Marvin's Flex tips to help you deliver smarter, not harder. That's it for today. See you next time.